Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fabric softener at home. And so if you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Fabric softener is designed to make your clothes and fabric soft and fluffy. It is usually applied or used in the last stage of laundry process, which is the rinsing stage. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make fabric softener at home. In this method, we will be using 1. White vinegar and 2. Essential oils. Now, essential oils are perfume extracted from plants. In this particular production, we will be using 2 types of essential oils. These are blue water and lemon. Now, before we go into the mixing proper, let's establish the quantity of ingredient we will require for producing 500 ml of fabric softener. White vinegar 500 ml, essential oils, and here we have blue water a teaspoon and lemon a teaspoon. Now measure 500 ml of white vinegar and pour into a jar. Now add a teaspoon each of the essential oils. Now stir the mixture very well for a while. Now allow the mixture to stand until it becomes transparent. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your fabric softener is ready for use. You can now pour it into an airtight container and keep it safe. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.